What's up, guys? Kevin and Apryl here, aka Explorations, bringing you another adventure today, guys. We're with the Holywalkers. We brought them to this creepy, crazy, and just mysteriously abandoned chicken farm. They're going to check it out. We're going to check it out. There's some places that we didn't quite get to see, and we're going to bring you guys along. Let's check it out.
We're gonna go up these stairs here.
Hey, it's cushiony, so if you fall, you have a nice blanket of cushion shit. Well, I mean, that's not cushiony. You gotta land in this stuff. Some of these staircases are a bit vicarious and falling apart, so it's kind of. What the heck kind of poop is that?
What is that? Little metal pieces.
So they would like conveyor them like down?
Yeah.
So is there stuff on that side?
Oh, I think we were walking up here. It's so scary.
Yeah, it goes. And they would like, they have these conveyor belts. There's the belts. They just like go down.
That is so creepy down there. I'm gonna walk over here. I'm gonna try not to die.
Yeah, I mean, maybe if the floors are. Yeah, they're cool.
I mean, it's not that old in here, so.
No, but you don't know what's rickety and what, you know, you don't want to fall through the floor.
Definitely don't want to fall down there and chicken shit.
You got a good point there.
It's holding this way. It's got to be somewhat sturdy. That's a good start from this side.
So look down there, guys.
That raises curiosity.
How long down?
Kind of make you want.
So all those cages had chickens sitting in them. I don't know how the eggs. Holy crap. Why do you do these things? Why? I heard the door open and I was like,
All right, guys. We just stepped over that to get down to this. And we're walking down the center path here to the other end of this creepy chicken belt to find out what's at the other end. And I can tell you guys, it's very nerve-wracking walking here because you're not exactly sure how sturdy this is. But look at this, guys. This is where all this is like chicken poop and everything else. This is where the chickens were kept. This is creepy. The end of this junk is creepy, man. This is nerve-wracking. Hold on, let's turn this on. Look at this, guys. This just goes and goes, man. And we're gonna go and go and go with you. And hopefully stay above. Whew. The smell. Oh, the smell is horrible. And there's the bottom, guys. This is super crazy. Probably one of the craziest and maybe dumbest things I've ever done. All for you guys. And that's what I keep telling myself. There's just cages. Okay, that one wobbled a bit. And Wow, I don't know if you guys, whoo-hoo, check a look at the size of that snake skin, boy. Yeah, he's a big boy. Let's hope we don't run into him anywhere near this joint anytime soon. Oh, wow. Man, Todd's already down there. That's Mr. Todd from the Holywalkers down there. He already made it to the end. He's savage, man. You have to go check out his video footage. He probably went a lot faster than me. But, trucking along, man. I'm trucking along. Trying to get there, you know? Whew. Oh, snap. I don't know if y'all heard that. Sounded like a squeak or something, like a mouse or something, I don't know, but I don't need to run into any critters up here. I'm already limited on my space to maneuver. On top of the fact that these planks aren't the sturdiest, that's the second. It's the second dead bird. Oh man. We hear Todd. Hey. And guys, we made it. Look, Todd!
But I just don't know if it's this side. It looks like here, like this would have went into a pipe, but then the pipe doesn't go into anything. I'm confused. And then there's like areas back here where trucks could pull into.
Yeah.
There used to be a staircase over on the left. Okay, we'll go out and come back. So what is it that happened down there? I don't know.
Well,
it looks like they did catch it, unless they would just go around this and go back the other way, and it would go down one side. I just didn't see any.
yeah, kind of like maneuver all of them to
So it
one
looks like it
side.
just maybe keeps rolling around.
Yeah, it's weird how they used to
How
put
many
like,
chickens would be in each cage?
I mean, I can't even imagine they probably stuck. I would imagine.
Is there no way out of here?
Hi.
Hey, babe.
Are there no spiders on yours?
No, but I saw a couple dead birds and like a 8-foot snake skin.
Okay, well I'll go this way then.
All right, guys, we're walking back. A lot faster this time because we're following Todd, and I got Kyle behind me. So obviously, this is a good one. So we can kind of speed up the process. I keep kicking stuff. I don't know what the heck I keep kicking. I just hope it's like metal rods and not. I don't want to think about it. All right, anyways. Supposedly there's a path halfway down through here. Look at that, there's an egg. Half an eggshell, huh? There's an egg right there.
It's getting dark now.
There's an egg, guys. That's creepy. Gloves. There you go. Oh, there's gloves. There's the chicken.
Definitely down here. They were just missing a piece of the equipment.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, because now that I look at it, they would feed into this machine, they would go down these little things. There might have been something here that would catch them.
That's why the gap is there?
Yeah. So they may have another piece of equipment that's not here anymore. But see how like these would actually feed the eggs down to this. Or down here, or down here. So there's 3 of them.
Yeah.
So they would all feed into this. This would then put them into whatever they were using, and then I don't know if it would go over or it would just go back down there somewhere. Or it just would go into here, and from here they would get taken to the next processing part. These chutes, and they go into something that would have been here. So you think it's actually collecting this? Yeah.
So that was a down and back on one of those guys. And yeah, creepy stuff. All right, so now we're walking down, guys, through the middle. Of the chicken farm. And it goes all the way down there. And Todd's down there, so we're gonna try to catch up with him. We're looking for Apryl. She's down here a ways, I believe. So we'll be right back and we'll catch up with you guys.
Look at the behind these guys. So there's concrete all under here. Okay, so this is where what do they do here then?
I think here they might have pulled trucks up here.
Yeah, it's weird because there were barn doors. If you look at the structure, you could see that they took doors off.
I mean, maybe they brought them down here and dumped them somewhere, but they sorted on the other end.
Yeah.
Something.
Well, they had to transfer them to the other buildings to clean them, and
That's where they could have been using this to go down.
yeah, they could have just used this as like a. Yeah,
Look at this, how gross it is. This is all chicken poop.
I mean, could have been an awful lot of chickens here, so.
Obviously, there was an awful lot of chickens here.
Oh yeah, the amount of chicken crap there is.
Wow.
Look at this.
I'm not gonna probably walk down the whole back of these. Look at this over here. This big tank. I don't know what it is. It's humongo. Like, it's taller than me. I'm walking up to it with this face level, and it goes up that far. Someone's walked back here. Oh my. What's in here? Would you happen to know what this ball is for? Because there's one here and there's one in there that's really weird to me because it's like a beach ball. So what could it actually be used for? Or is it hard? No, it's like a beach ball. Yeah, but why?
Look, these are all rat traps.
These are rat traps?
Yeah. You see that, all the rat
How do they work? What do you mean?
They
Let's
just
see.
put them out around the buildings to catch. They put poison in them.
Ew.
Oh, those, yeah.
Those are all rat
Because the rats will eat the chickens, won't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, so they probably put these out everywhere.
Really.
Crazy. See,
Look
like,
at this.
fan and stuff.
Yeah, there's all kind of brand new stuff, man. They let.
I guess that's what
whoever
would
left
collect
in a
the
hurry,
eggs
for
on the
sure.
conveyor belts upstairs. Some more. This one, I don't like this one. What the heck is this? What are they putting here, guys? What is this? Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. Ooh, they burn chickens in here.
It's an incinerator.
There's chicken bones. They burnt the chickens in here. Keep it light in there.
It's an incinerator.
Oh my God. Ew, guys. Can you imagine what that smelled like? What is this? But what would this be now? Because there's tanks inside there, like water
I guess you
tanks.
gotta get rid of them.
Ugh.
They burned all the chickens.
Oh, that's so crazy.
Maybe sick from eating like diseased chickens.
Yeah. They got to get it off the property.
So there's chicken ghosts.
Okay, this one.
We heard them earlier, I swear. Did they have other kind of animals out here, maybe?
I don't know. I'm starting to think of what is in here.
Yeah, it looks like cows or something would be in here.
Yeah, that would be chickens.
There ain't chickens in there.
No, there wouldn't be no chickens in here.
Holy shit, it's already...
This is only a chicken farm.
The heck no, this was for something else, maybe horses? No.
That's what it looks like. Horses or cows or something. Well, there's a tractor that they obviously never used to cut their grass. Wow. And how much poop he stood in to hurt and get him over him like.
Alright, let's step into here. Look at this is what gets me. This is what they wore. Was these full body suits here.
Yep. Oh, full rubber suit.
Oh, it smells absolutely horrible in here. Oh my god. Hold your breath. Big parts for something.
Big machines for suits. Put your shirt over your nose.
Guys, I can't even explain to you.
Dang, that's a big chain. You see that chain?
Yeah, I did.
That's a big chain.
Oh, bad. There's a Christmas tree. Why is there always Christmas trees everywhere we go? Okay, we're out. It's time to go. It smells really bad in here.
There's another one of them balls.
I know, isn't that weird?
That's actually freaking
That's why it's
creepy.
weird that it's in here.
That's actually creepy. Those
But it has a
balls are
string on it, so.
everywhere. Maybe it was for them to play with. There's fire hose on those belts.
Okay, let's go. Oh my god. To the back of this door. Oh, guys. Breathe. So we're gonna go into this office that I really didn't like by myself, so
There's a ladder.
I'm gonna have Kevin go with me.
I don't like how slimy these stairs are.
I know.
Oh. I don't want to touch the freaking rails.
You
So that's the door into the chicken.
walk softly. Look at this. This is an office. Let's look at it a little bit more.
228.15.
Yep. Don't step there. That floor went down like an inch or two and I stepped on it.
Okay. You notice back out. Back out. I'm not going in there. That smells like raw sewage because somebody just peed in there or something.
Where, in that bathroom?
Yeah.
Let's see the date on the calendar. Oh, it says 3/1/15 right there. This is what I don't like right here. I feel like someone's still here using it. Do you dare you to open the fridge?
No. There's a bird nest in the lockers.
So it's random shoes in here too. Which door, Kevin?
What was that one?
I think it's. Ooh! There's Apryl Grace falling.
This is 2015 too, and they have
Up to
through
May.
May.
Yeah.
And that's it. May 2015. What's this, a shower? It's creepy.
This is. It's like a phone in every room, so
That's the warehouse?
I don't know.
Yep.
Okay, guys, this is the. What the hell?
Fuck is that? Big ass.
Oh God. Okay, we're gonna turn this off. Turn your light off. Turn it off. That's how dark the room we're about to walk in is. Okay, ready? Here we go. Ready? Come on, Kevin. There you go. Light, stick me up. Why is there a table in the middle of this room? Is it raining?
Yeah.
I think so.
I think that's rain.
That's what I'm trying to figure out is why there's a table by itself. This is kind of interesting, like how they just gave up at the end. They swept it to a pile and just stopped and left the broom. So what is on this wall? Is like insulation or concrete?
Yep, that's insulation.
Is it hard?
Insulation.
See if it's hard. Yep, it's hard. This is where they loaded the trucks up.
Yep. Also refrigerated.
Was it?
Yep. Yeah, look. New reefer. There's some spiders right here. Who you doing?
Okay. Let's walk this door. It's weird sounding with the rain outside for sure.
You guys know freaking old wasn't here? They had loose things right there. Hanging up. Oh.
What is that? Temperature thing?
Yeah. An extra thermostat to make sure that they were accurate with temperature. Too much condensation in the building like
I wonder if
this.
that door goes out, but it says exit. Never mind.
These are all robotic 8-case packing. Says it right there. So all these are big packers.
It's raining really bad outside right now. Ooh, almost tripped. Okay, there's no egg in there. There's an egg.
Yeah, this is how they would have been. These are packers. So like they have where this hole is over here. Check the Todd over here. This is where they would have that equipment. And it would just run all the way down underneath those trays. So all the eggs would go in that and they would all run out here and they would hook into the machinery.
But how did they get it for the other places?
That's what I'm saying. Look, this is it.
Oh,
It's
it
goes
hooked
all
to
the way
every
down.
house?
So they had like under those machines where the eggs come out.
Yeah.
So those are the machines in the end, where those holes are. They had machinery that would like move them like a conveyor belt all the way down and then come in here and hook to these machines.
Really?
And these machines aren't positioned like they're supposed to be.
Wow.
They like disconnect and everything. This is what cleans. Yeah. So they disconnect.
Wow.
Basically, they have this stuff around.
That's crazy. I like that Todd figured that out. So this must be part of the conveyor belt that went to that. And then they sorted right here. Looks like. Be really neat to see an egg factory actually working. I'll see if I can find something, but I don't really want to take other people's stuff. So then it probably came through here, so it sorted them through here. Somehow caught them without dropping them, so there had to be some other piece in here. And this looks like it sprayed them with water somehow. And there's some brushes. Someone got put in the corner. Little lockers. Definitely 2000. Oh no, that went to 2016. Huh. Interesting. 114.16. I think, oh, here they are. Okay, I just got freaked out. So it's really cool. So they had conveyor belts that brought all the eggs from the other houses into here. And it went through like a whole system, but the machines aren't laid out properly. But it had like the little cranes that probably sorted them somehow. It's a robot. It's really freaking cool. Love it. Look at this big chain. It's really neat. Kevin's trying to do strobe light effect. Oh, there's footprints on this. Why? That is really strange. What the heck? Kevin just freaked me out. Wonder what this one's for, because that one, these right here, what are these for? These are different. It's almost like they took, like, this is the belts wrapped at the ends or something, and they took it all apart.
Yeah, they took all this stuff apart and they scattered it. This is not even how it's supposed to be, what was supposed to be set up. They just took everything apart in a hurry and took what they wanted, what they needed, and moved on.
Trying to figure out what they needed over here locked up.
Probably tools.
No, it's like a washing station.
Oh, cleaners. It's a chemical storage area. So I'm surprised it doesn't have a drain. So if anything were to spill or leak, it would go down a drain and go out somewhere, but it doesn't have it friggin'.
Strange.
Says it right there. Chemical storage area.
Okay, let's go in this back room here. Oh, there's bay doors here too. I wonder if these are, no, this isn't the 3-door side. That's over at the other side.
Oh,
Wow.
there's all their files that they had to leave behind they couldn't get.
Where?
Right there.
Wow.
All those are files. Oh, that's files. All the records and everything they couldn't get out of here. There's a baby chicken in there.
Oh my God, look at this.
Look, there's a baby chicken in there. See? Kind of.
You guys are funny as hell. Oh, it's starting to smell in here.
Or something.
It does have trays for like server things. Maybe not for actual computers, maybe for the machines or something.
Then they put the filters over the door.
All right, let's get out of this space, baby. Let's go, baby. See how crazy they are? We have a lot of fun.
That's right.
We never hurt anything besides ourselves. Where are they going? Oh no, they're going in the creepy section. Let's watch it. There's a weird table in Mo's room. This is the creepiest space in here for sure. What the hell? Did you hear that for real? Nuh-uh. I just heard a foot step up, like seriously, like a scoot of a foot. Was that your foot? I don't even know. I don't like that for real though.
I don't know if it was mine or not.
But I just heard a foot like stop like that.
That was probably mine.
Yeah, but you're right next to me, babe. It was from back here. Make sure nobody's here. What the fuck? Okay, be quiet for 1 second. All right. So we are here at these houses, looking through them really quick with Todd and Kyle, who's resistant back there. Does not want to walk. This actually isn't as deep as I thought it was going to be right here.
No, this one.
Thinking the Holywalkers are like Spartacus, the bringer of rain. Every time we're with them, it's raining. I remember this one.
Holy moly. Oh, this is the punkers of the bodybuilder's house.
Yep. Alright, we're just going to walk through these real quick.
Yeah, no, that's some bedroom furniture. Is there a TV in here? It's not working fire alarm.
It's got electricity. There's electricity. The stove is on too.
Yeah. There's power to the outlet too. See the light? Got power? Got things right here. 16. Double C Water Ranch.
Wow. All the trees grew.
Yeah.
What? What?
Power on.
Guys, what if it catches fire or something? Caught fire! Oh, God dang it, you thingy.
What do you see? Help! Help! I need help. Why? Give me another light. Why?
Help, help.
I'm tracking crap.
Help, help, I need help. Oh, I'm tripping. Oh, jeez. Woo. Yeah,
Yeah. She'll flip.
that's why I have boots on.
You can go see her the rest of the night. She's really one. She's getting the truck all night.
Oh my God, these stairs. There's no stairs there, so be careful. Oh shit. Get off me! Oh my God. Get off me, stickers. Get off my hair. Oh yeah.
Oh wow, this one's got a split floor plan. This is unique.
Wow, hot. Have not been in this one yet.
Power's on this one.
Ew.
Somebody's been in here.
Look, they took egg cartons and put them around the things for flowers on lights.
Is there water? Somebody does bedroom furniture, like bedroom furniture, and there's like
There's a
mattress.
Check it. Wait.
Yeah, that's creepy. Like somebody's been staying here.
It almost looks like someo's been staying here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a phone.
There's
charger.
cigarettes.
Dude, watch. Go back in there and you'll creep out. There's nobody in there.
There's
But...
roaches on the wall right there. Yeah.
Look at the windows blacked out.
Oh
Guys,
Oh, that's a big ass fucking
look at the windows all blacked out or something.
Oh shit.
Actually, no, it's not blacked out. Can you see out there?
Fuck got power.
What the heck is back there?
The front light came off.
There's like a porch or something in the back. Ew, the fly strips. Ew. So gross. Big old cockroaches head.
Ah, there's one above us. That's fucked up.
Where?
Wow, you got to go because there's one right there, and I got to run that way, man.
Turn the light off.
There's one right there.
What the heck? There's actually like bedding in here, guys.
Is that weird, all the furniture?
It is. They're making me freaked out. They're saying, that, oh, I see it. They're so stupid.
Really staying in here. I thought somebody was in for sure. Somebody was at the bed, right?
There's a camera back there.
Some bra.
Look in there. There's a camera. I want to get that camera.
Where's our camera? Turn off the light in there when you're done. The actual camera? Oh shoot. There'll be something scary on there. You should definitely see.
I'm definitely keeping this.
Hey, look, what if a crime was committed here? Say like the what's someone crossing here? This is a she's on a camera. What if there are videos as well?
Yeah, the bed. I want to kind of, Kevin. We should.
Where'd you get footage of what?
Kevin, we should come back here with the black light. One time. Next time we come back here.
There's a crime.
Alright, next time you come back there,
Somebody committed a crime here.
we'll load this.
She's on a camera. Did you come back here? Yeah. There's
Murder
like
house.
she's on a camera.
And there's electricity
Murder
in
house.
here, so
Murder house.
people have been staying here.
Alright, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video. It's been crazy, it's been creepy, and this time been scary. Sheriff footsteps walk up next to us when we were sitting there watching these guys go into the other room. It was crazy. Hope you enjoyed it.
I don't know what they're doing back
Much love to the Holywalkers back there for joining us. Go check out the channel, show them some love. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and hit that notification bell.
Oh, I'm dancing with the camera.
That's right. So you'll be notified when we do some crazy stuff. See you in the next one.
Bye.